So, what do you do when your cucumber's gone soft? Throw it away? Or do you use it up? I was given this cucumber by a neighbour whose sister had grown it, and I'm not going to waste it, but it's definitely going soft. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a smoothie. Just put a cloth underneath the board to stop it slipping. Chop it up. We'll go outside and pick some mint. So I'm going to put cucumber, mint and an apple, water and maybe some apple juice. So we'll pick some of this lovely Moroccan mint. Mint loves having its feet wet, so all this rain, it will love it. So we'll take that in and use it in our smoothie. While I'm here, just look at all the chilies growing on this chili plant. Chop everything nice and small. We'll add the apple to the cucumber. And the mint. Just going to tear that. So when it comes to yin and yang, apple, cucumber and mint are all cooling. So if your system's overheating, you get hot and bothered, this will cool you down. I think that's enough mint. I am going to add, you could just add water to this. I am going to add some apple juice. I do have some apple juice. Oops, spilled some. So we'll just pop some apple juice in. And we'll top that up with some water. And give it a quick whiz in the whizzy machine. So here we are. And lovely, refreshing cucumber, mint and apple drink that you can just, oh, I think I'll just give it a whoosh with some apple juice, and then we get all the bits. Lovely. So when your cucumber starts to go soft, don't throw it away. Make a smoothie. We'll just give it a try. Ooh, that is nice. Let's pop a bit of mint on the top. Mmm.